Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see how to make this easy and tasty brinjal and curd or a very unique dahi wale baingan. What makes it very unique? Please watch till the end to see it. So let's start. The main ingredients for this dish is the long brinjals and curd. Here I have taken 2 long brinjals. Now let's slice them into not so thick and not so thin slices. As seen in the video, it should neither be so thin nor thick. The next step is to fry these slices. Before that, let's marinate it with 3/4 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. Using your hands, mix them thoroughly so that all the slices are well coated with the marination. To fry these slices, I have taken a non-stick pan. We don't have to deep fry these slices. So I have taken a little oil. Add in the brinjal slices. As the brinjals cook faster, flip after 2 minutes, and if needed, you can add an extra oil. After flipping one side, I am adding some extra oil so that it is evenly cooked. Occasionally flip side until you get that nice fried-like texture. This is an excellent side dish for your rice. It can be enjoyed as it is as well. There is a twist in the flavor of the curd, so watch till the end to find it. So our brinjals are ready. This is the first batch which I have fried. So it should look like this. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add some curd. Here I have taken almost 5 to 6 big tablespoons of curd. This measurement is as per your requirement. Beat the curd thoroughly with a fork until a smooth texture is attained. Now our curd or yogurt is ready. To this I am adding half teaspoon of salt and almost 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly. The flavor of the curd should have both sweet and salt taste to it. Now we will add the fried brinjals to it and gently fold it. You should not mix it because the brinjals will break. Our dish is almost ready. Before serving, we need to do a final seasoning. So before that, I am transferring this into a serving dish. So this is a simple seasoning. First add almost 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and wait for it to pop. Once it's all popped up, now add curry leaves and the dried red chilli. Once the curry leaves and the dried red chilies changes its color, switch off the flame and add a pinch of Kashmiri red chili powder to it. Finally, add the seasoning to the dish. I had reserved some fried brinjals earlier for the final garnishing. So our easy and tasty brinjals in curd is now ready to be enjoyed. I hope everybody will try this and send in your feedbacks in the comment box. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.